Hello guys, how are you all? I'm Aman. Welcome back on my YouTube channel Code via Aman. So guys, if you are using Python, so guys, at least one time you face this error. Error is PIP is not recognized as an internal external command. So guys, I see you this error. New terminal and here type PIP, then enter. So guys, you can see PIP is not recognized as an internal and external command operable program or batch file. So guys, you can see also this error in command prompt using window plus R, then return here cmd, then enter. So guys, here PIP, you can see guys, PIP is not recognized as an internal or external command, and you can type again pip install any package like pyinstaller, then enter. So guys, same error is suddenly occurred, PIP is not recognized. So guys, how to solve this error? So guys, first of all, we will find out the where I install the Python, and after that we choose the path and copy this path and paste in environment variables. Okay guys, so guys, go to my computer and then click here Windows C, then go to program, no guys, users, and after that guys, yeah, first of all you done, then go to user Aman Tiwari. So guys, in my case my username is Aman Tiwari, and in your case the username is something different. After that guys, you can find the app data here. So guys, if you are not able to find the app data, then you can follow this procedure slash and then here type app data, then enter. Okay guys, and the second way to find out the app data is simply go to view and check the hidden items here. After that guys, you can see this is the app data, then click here. After that, then local. Okay guys, and then click to programs, find out the program files. Yeah, this is the program files. Then go to Python, then go to Python 38 and go to script, and after that copy this path, yeah, and then go to properties and then go to advanced system setting. Okay, then go to environment variables, then go to path, edit, new, and paste here. Okay guys, yeah, then okay, then okay, then okay. After that, again go to this script folder, then back, then go to lib, yeah guys, and copy this path and paste in environment variable setting. Then again follow this process, advanced system setting, environment variables, then choose path, then edit, then new, and then paste here. So guys, I already paste this path here. Okay guys, second last column. Okay, leave. So guys, I already paste this path here. So guys, then okay, then okay, then close this, then close this. Okay guys, after that close this cmd and again open your cmd, yeah, then type pip, then enter. So guys, it take few seconds and then packages is available in your screen. So guys, you can see our problem is completely solved. Okay guys, and again go to your Visual Studio, yeah, then type here pip. Okay guys, then enter. Okay, so guys, first of all close this Visual Studio, yeah, and then again open your Visual Studio and type in terminal pip. So guys, properly work. Okay, so guys, it takes few seconds and is opening. Yeah, then guys, here type pip, then enter. Yeah guys, Python extension is loading. Okay, so guys, you can see our pip is working properly. So guys, if your problem is completely solved out, so don't forget like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for fewer videos notification. And guys, you can follow me on Instagram. I will provide the Instagram link in description box. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video.